Noddy, help! It's a disaster!
What's the matter, Mr. Wobbly Man?
I've lost the remote control from my jelly mixer. Without my mixer, there's no jelly. And, well, without jelly, the jelly bowl is just a bowl.
No jelly? Well, that is a disaster. Wiz will know how to get your mixer working.
Goodbye. How did this happen?
Mr. Wobbly Man has lost his remote control. Then it is a good thing that I just finished my greatest invention. Observe.
A spanner?
What? Oh, I mean this. Where is it? Ooh, Lindy?
On my way. It might be a mess, but I know exactly where everything is. I think. What were you looking for?
Oh. My super-duper control-it-all. With this, I can control any gadget or gizmo. See that magnet?
That's brilliant, Wiz. Just what Mr. Wobbly Man needs for his mixer.
I have only just finished it. It needs a proper test.
I could test it, then take it straight to Mr. Wobbly Man.
Good idea. And I will get to work tidying up around here.
Bumpy, I'm home. Is it time to play? How about tag? Tag, you're it. That was great. Oh, but look at the mess we've made. It will take ages to clear up. Unless... It worked! Let's play clearing up. Hello, Wiz. It's Noddy. Your remote works perfectly. I'll take it to the jelly bowl right now. Hey! Where's Wiz's remote? So that's why my things are going crazy. Come on, Bumpy, hand it over. Bumpy, this isn't another game of tag. Bumpy!
Very peculiar.
After you, Mr. Jumbo.
Oh, no, Clockwork Mouse, I insist. You go first.
Oh, but you're bigger.
That's true, but I'm allowing you to go first.
Oh, okay then.
What a muddle. We'll soon sort it out if you'll all wait your turn. Jail doors misbehaving, now traffic lights. Very peculiar.
Sorry, Mr. Plod. It did it by itself.
Very peculiar.
We need to get that remote.
Bumpy! How did he get my control at all?
Don't move, Bumpy. Here's a good door. Oh, no, Bumpy! Careful, car. Careful.
My control it all is controlling everything. Including me.
Excuse me, Mr. Beetle. Could I borrow your hose?
Huh? No.
Still no jelly, I'm afraid. Still can't find the remote.
Don't worry. Bumpy's got a remote control that makes everything work. Your jelly's going to save the day. Hey, everybody. I need your help to get Bumpy jumping all over Wiz's remote. Call to him. Get him really excited.
Come on,
Come on, Bumpy. You can do it. Come on, Bumpy. I hope this works. Come on, Bumpy. Let's press it.
Oh! My jelly mixer! It's working!
Bumpy's really sorry about the control it all, Wiz.
Maybe it is safer if everything has its own remote, after all.
It's pretty safe in there. A bit sticky, though.
I'm sure it is all right to take it out now.
I was hoping you'd say that, so I brought some ice cream.
Ice cream? How very delicious!
What's the matter?
Oh, it's no good, Jumbo. I just can't lift this domino.
Oh, I'll watch it for you.
Oh, thanks. Could you put that number 4 over there next to the...
Now, I love Domino Day.
Me too, Mr. Plod. It's a shame it only happens once a year.
And it's all over so quickly. We spend all day setting the dominoes up, and then they're all knocked down in minutes. Oops!
Noddy's domino rallies are the best. I wonder what he's got planned this year. Hello, Tessie, Mr. Plod. Are you ready? I am, Noddy.
Absolutely.
I've even brought a picnic in case we get hungry. I think we're going to need it. This year I'm using more dominoes than ever. Oh, wow! Let's get going. We'll be finished in plenty of time. Hello, Skittles.
Come on, Bumpy, let's play!
Children, I don't think you should be playing knockdown games so near Noddy's dominoes.
What are dominoes, Noddy? Do you knock them all down?
That's right. First you line them all up. Then you gently knock over the first domino. Then they all fall down one by one in a big long line.
Again! Let's knock them down now, Noddy!
You'll have to wait, children. Noddy's got a lot of setting up to do.
Well, who wants to help me?
Me!
I need these dominoes delivered to Mr. Plod. You think you can manage that?
No problem, Noddy! This is the last one, Mr. Plod.
You've been a great help, Skittles.
We want to see the dominoes falling over now.
I know it's hard to wait for things that are fun, but it won't be long now.
I'm ready, Mr. Plod. Is it time yet?
It's still a little while.
Oh! Is it time now?
It'll be a little while yet, Skittles. Why don't you go and play? Eh? Time flies when you're having fun. Yes. Now, where was I?
Everything's ready, Noddy. We'll be able to start on time.
Oh! What's happened here? The dominoes are missing.
Look! Shh. Knock, knock. Anyone in?
No! There's no one home! Surprise! It's us!
That was a surprise.
Is it time yet?
Not quite. Someone's taken some dominoes and left a gap. Oops. Who wants to help me put them back in place?
Me!
That's it. All in a straight line.
Is it time yet? Yeah! Knock them down!
Not quite.
Oh! We could build our house again!
Or we could go and eat Tessie's picnic. And this is where the domino rally begins.
Whoa!
Ooh, a fairy cake!
Can I have a bite?
Okay, after me!
No! Me first!
Eat nicely, children.
Oh no!
We're never going to put these back in time.
Have we broken it?
Don't worry, little Skittles. Everyone can help us. And we'll fix it together.
Bumpy!
There.
Is it time yet?
Yes, it is.
Oh! It is?
Let's get things started. You've been a great help today, so I've got a special surprise for you.
Where have those Skittles gone? They're going to miss the rally. Ah.
Don't worry, Mrs. Skittle. They won't miss a thing.
Is it on? I am pleased to announce this year's Domino Day is ready! Started by our very own Noddy!
There we go.
Oh my! The Skittles are part of the rally.
I love Domino Day.
That was marvellous, Noddy. Just marvellous.
What did you think, Skittles?
I think it was really worth waiting for. Can we do it again?
You'll have to wait till next year.
Is it next year yet?
Lindy! Oh, what a mix-up.
You did ask me to order some wheels, Wiz.
Yes, but not this size.
Don't worry, I can shrink them down.
No, Lindy.
I know.
Magic and motors do not mix.
Hello, everyone. Oh, wow! Big wheels.
Yes, much too big. Now, Noddy, how can I help you?
I've come to pick up my trailer, Wiz. Today is Googleberry Pie Day.
What is Googleberry Pie Day, Noddy?
It's when everyone goes to the Enchanted Wood to pick googleberries. Then Mr. Wobbly Man squashes them up and puts them in a big googleberry pie.
It's my favourite.
I would love to come, but I have to find a use for these.
The wheels can wait, Wiz. Googleberry Pie Day is only once a year.
Everyone's here, Noddy.
Ready to pick googleberries?
We're ready to start, Noddy.
I can't hear you. Are you ready? Then let's go!
I was up for that.
Hear that, Gobbo?
Someone must be having fun.
To the telescope, Gobbo.
They're picking googleberries.
Yuck! Googleberries. Must be that horrible pie day they have.
Sounds like fun. Sounds like fun.
Yes. And what's goblin rule number 1?
Always try and spoil the fun.
A little something from Goblin Gizmos will do the job nicely.
Catch, Dapple.
I'm in Googleberry heaven.
Can you reach them?
Oh, just about.
Oh, here's a nice big one. Wiz.
Nearly done. Bumpy.
Oh, Sly, it doesn't look much like the picture in the Goblin Gizmo catalogue.
They never do, Gobbo. They never do.
Great work, everyone. Now empty your baskets into the trailer.
Let's get a move on, toys. The quicker we get the googleberries to Mr. Wobbly Man, the quicker he can squash them.
Come on.
You distract Car while I unhook the trailer.
Right. What does distract mean?
Oh, just talk to him and don't mention the trailer.
Oh, OK. Oh, hello, Car. Oh, lots of trees about, eh? Can't see the woods for them. This distracting thing is easy. I haven't mentioned the trailer once. Oops.
What's the matter, Car? Hey, our googleberries!
Get on, Gobbo.
Oh, there's been a Googleberry grab!
After that trailer, Car!
Oh, this peddling's hard work.
I know, I'm tired out. Oh! Oh, Sly! Here comes Noddy! catching up!
He'll never catch us if we go off-road.
You're right, Car. We can't follow them over this rough ground.
Oh, no, Noddy! Have they got away with our Googleberries?
No Googleberries means no Googleberry Pie Day.
How can we follow them without ruining Car's tyres? That's it! Whiz, we're going to need your big wheels.
I finally beaten Noddy.
Nice one, Sly.
He'll never get to us in the wood. By the time the toys find these Googleberries, they'll be too mouldy to make into pies.
But perfect for us. I love mouldy berry pie.
Was that your tummy rumbling, Gobbo?
No, sounds like a monster.
A monster?
More like a monster car, Goblins. These giant wheels can drive over anything.
Quick, this way.
Can you see them, Bumpy?
Faster, Gobbo.
I can't go any.
Keep your eyes on the road.
Are you Goblins okay?
We're more than okay, Noddy. Your Googleberries are all squashed. No pie for Toy Town.
Actually, you've really helped us, Sly.
What?
Mr. Wobbly Man has to squash the Googleberries to make the pie. You've saved him a big job.
The Googleberry pie will be served in no time at all.
Does anyone want cream on their pie?
Whoa, I should say so, Noddy.
Ooh, can I squirt the cream? That's the best bit. Me.
Sorry, Skittles. The job that's the best fun goes to Sly and Gobbo. You love having fun, don't you, Sly?
We don't like fun. We don't like it at all, do we, Gobbo?